Samsung Galaxy S3 in 2025, a nostalgic look at a legend. Welcome to Techiato. In a world where foldables and AI-driven devices dominate the scene, going back to a 2012 smartphone in 2025 feels like opening a time capsule. Today, we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy S3, a device that once stood at the peak of innovation and user experience. Released in May 2012, the Galaxy S3 was ahead of its time. Its design, inspired by nature, featured curved edges and a removable plastic back, something almost extinct today. The 4.8-inch HD Super AMOLED display was considered massive then, and surprisingly, it still holds up for basic use in 2025. Watching YouTube or scrolling through simple web pages feels retro but strangely refreshing. Powered by the Exynos 4412 Quad or Snapdragon S4 depending on your region, the phone packed 1 GB of RAM and up to 64 GB of expandable storage. In today's standards, these specs are laughable, but back then, the S3 was a powerhouse capable of multitasking, gaming, and even light photo editing. The 8MP rear camera with LED flash was one of the best in its class. In good lighting, it still takes decent shots, though don't expect anything close to modern computational photography. The 1.9MP front camera, however, is best left unused unless you're feeling brave. What truly made the Galaxy S3 special was its software experience. With Android 4.0 for Ice Cream Sand, which later upgraded to 4.3 Jelly Bean, Samsung introduced features like Smart Stay, S-Voice, their early Siri competitor, and Direct Call. These features laid the foundation for many smart functions we take for granted today. In 2025, the S3 obviously struggles with modern apps and connectivity. Most apps either don't support the OS or are extremely slow. However, custom ROMs like Lineageos have kept it alive for tech enthusiasts. You can still get WhatsApp working, browse lightweight websites, and even play music or videos stored locally. In the end, the Galaxy S3 is a beautiful reminder of how far smartphones have come. Holding it today reminds us of a time when innovation was about introducing new ideas, not just refining old ones. It may not be your daily driver in 2025, but it still earns respect as a key chapter in smartphone history.